Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to automate your Airtable templates. Let's get back to the PDF maker, and here let's see how to use automation script to generate PDFs. Go back to automation script tab, and here you will also get a code. Just copy it and get back to Airtable. As you can see here, we have created a checkbox field. We'll use this field to have a condition for the automation. So to set up the automation, let's go to automation tab and let's create a new automation. Click on here to create a new automation, and here set up a trigger. In our case, let me have when record matches the condition. You can select whatever you want. I'm just having this. So here I'm selecting this table, and I'm going to have the condition whenever this create PDF is checked, it will generate the PDF. So this is our condition or trigger. Next, let's have the action, which is run script. Select run script, and here just remove everything and paste the code we just copied earlier. And here you will see this red line, which means there is something wrong, and to fix it, just copy it, and here click on this add input variable, and in the name value just paste it what we copied, and in the value click on this plus icon and scroll down. You will see Airtable record ID. Select. So this is very important, you have to do this, otherwise it won't work. So after you're done, just click on finish editing and enable this automation. Now we have set up the automation where whenever this is checked, it will create a new PDF. So let's check this, which is the third record, and in couple of seconds our new PDF should get generated right here. As you can see here, our PDF has been generated. So this is how you use automation scripts to generate PDFs. So we have covered all of the three options to generate PDF from Airtable. Thank you.